Welcome to the knife sharpening shop of George Weiss. I just watched the Spyderco knife sharpening kit demonstrated. And you do it 20 strops or draws from the back of the hilt of the knife to the front 20 times, and these are little protecting to keep me from cutting myself. So you draw this 20 times. Okay, so you do that with this edge here for the first 20, and then you rotate it like this, and you do it 20 more times, and you don't have to put a lot of pressure on it. So you just want to go keeping the knife blade straight up and down 20 times. Okay, 20-ish times he said on the instructions, and these are the coarse ones, and then you change out from the coarse stones to the finer stones and do the exact same thing 20 times each. And these little grooves here are for like ice picks or fish hooks. We don't need those. So I'm not sharpening a fish hook or ice pick today, but I might. Now, I probably wouldn't have known how to do this had Nancy, the giver of the gift, had not asked me to make a video. So I made a video for Nancy, but I had to watch instructions first, and then I went shopping for one of these tools and realized what a nice gift this is. I had no idea, but I now know. Super nice. Thank you, Nancy. I'm gonna try and load this on YouTube so I can send it to you. Now, I've always heard that if you really want to know how sharp something is that's going to be surgically sharp enough to do surgery, you lay it on your thumbnail and gently try and move it. And this is, according to that test, is good enough. But this guy actually said it should. Oh, really is. Oh my goodness, this is so sharp. Thanks, Nancy. Ooh, gosh. So if I hadn't gotten this gift and the request to make the video, I probably would never watch the whole video and realized it's 20 times per 20-ish. And then I thought these were actually sharpening things, but they're actually safety bars. And then this is actually for something else I have to figure out. The video I watched did not have this exact kit in it, but I'm really excited about this whole thing. Pretty cool. Thanks, Nancy. I love you.